कंपटीशन 2026 इसमें आपका जो टॉपिक है वो है यूथ फॉर लाइफ एंड नेचर। तो इसमें पार्टिसिपेंट्स जो है उनको हम मटेरियल्स यहीं से फराहम करेंगे। तो चार्ट्स है, कलर्स है डिफरेंट टाइप्स के, ब्रश है, स्केच है। आपको जो भी अच्छा लगे इस थीम के रिलेटेड वो आप बना सकते हैं अपनी चॉइस के हिसाब से। तो
Mr. Munir, and we give him the chance to speak. Actually, he knows the art, and it is the best way when some artist is speaking about the art. Now, esteemed Principal Ma'am, Professor Dr. Simanas, and Principal Nodal Principal Kashmir Division College, Reverend juries Rakesh Saab and Shabat Saab, faculty members from ST colleges, participants, students from ST colleges, and faculty members.
The students and the teachers as well. I think Ma'am Principal actually covered everything. What comprises of this program, what is the expectation and what you're going to do, sort of how this program is going to function. And she also outlined the process, what this creative process is, and how you have to sort of vent into your feelings on the paper or whatever material is given there. I think there is nothing beyond that. I can say she actually captured it so well.
Today, besides your cognitive skills, also require other skills which they call as the 21st century skills, and which perhaps are not chiseled in our higher education institutions. So under this banner of youth empowerment and engagement, we have had a series of events organized by District Administration Srinagar. We had a debate competition, an ongoing cricket competition, and now this is the third event, that is the painting competition. So that besides the cognitive development, we are able to provide physical development, we are able to help you develop aesthetically, emotionally, and help develop the skills that are required by the market industry, for employability. जब ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे आप आते हैं, आप अपने एक्सप्रेशंस को चिजल करते हैं, उनको कार्व करते हैं ऑन प्लेटफॉर्म, यू गेट टू मीट अदर स्टूडेंट्स, यू गेट टू interact with other students. It is a very, very important way of collaborating and learning by collaboration.
मैंने लास्ट टाइम जब अमर सिंह कॉलेज में हमारा पहला इवेंट हुआ था तब भी इस बात को दोहराया था। मैं एक बार फिर इस बात को दोहराना चाहता हूं कि डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन श्रीनगर ने यूथ एंगेजमेंट और एम्पावरमेंट का प्लान क्यों बनाया है, जिसमें हमारे मुख्तलिफ कॉम्पिटिशंस जो है पूरे 12 महीनों में अप्रैल से शुरू हुआ है अप्रैल 2027 तक हर महीने हमारे कुछ एक्टिविटीज, कुछ कॉम्पिटिशंस, कुछ टूर्नामेंट्स, कुछ कल्चरल फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं। एक तो सरकार का अपना एक प्लान है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ जेएनके का कि हमें यूथ एम्पावरमेंट और एंगेजमेंट का प्लान बनाना है, तो उसमें हमारी कंप्लायंस होनी चाहिए, तो उस कंप्लायंस के लिए तो हमने किया ही है। मैं रामजस कॉलेज दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी का पढ़ा हुआ हूं, ग्रेजुएशन मैंने रामजस कॉलेज दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी से की। यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ दिल्ली में एक कंपटीशन रखा ब्रिटिश हाई कमीशन के कोलैबोरेशन, और वो कंपटीशन क्या था? वो कंपटीशन था इंटर कॉलेज डिबेट कंपटीशन। और इंटर कॉलेज डिबेट कंपटीशन जीतने का जो प्राइज मनी था वो था 1 हफ्ते की ट्रिप टू लंदन एंड स्कॉटलैंड। अब उस लालच से मैंने और मेरे रूममेट ने बहुत तैयारी की, डिबेट कंपटीशन में हिस्सा लिया। दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी के सारे जितने कॉलेजेस थे टॉप के, स्टीफन्स, हिंदू, किरोड़ीमल, एसआरसीसी, लेडी श्री राम कॉलेज, सब कॉलेजेस के बच्चे आए, हमारे कॉलेज से हम लोग गए और हम लोग कंपटीशन जीत गए। लंदन स्कॉटलैंड जाके जब हमने वहां के पार्लियामेंट में कैसे काम होता है, स्कॉटलैंड का जो हमारे हेल्थ मिनिस्टर साहब थे उनके साथ हमारी मुलाकात हुई, वहां का सरकारी सिस्टम हमने देखा, तो पहली बार बड़ी नजदीकी से गवर्नमेंट कैसे फंक्शन करती है इस चीज को हमने देखा और इंस्पायर हुए अपने हिसाब से। मेरी उसमें एक इंस्पिरेशन ये हुई कि मुझे लगा कि मैं भी पब्लिक सर्विस में ही कुछ करना चाहता हूं। होते होते 2018-17 में मैंने अपना पेपर लिखा और आज आपके सामने खड़ा हूं। कहने का ये मतलब है there are certain events and certain competitions certain platforms that push you towards your own destiny.
District Administration Srinagar organizes Rolling Trophy Inter-College Painting Competition under Youth Engagement and Empowerment Program. DC Srinagar highlights role of youth in environmental conservation and anti-drug awareness, felicitates participants during valedictory ceremony. Srinagar 21st May, the District Administration Srinagar today organized an inter-college painting competition 2026 under the Youth Engagement and Empowerment Program on the theme Youth for Life and Nature at the Government College of Education M. Road. Deputy Commissioner, DC, Srinagar, Akshay Labru, was the chief guest on the occasion and presided over the event. The competition witnessed enthusiastic participation from students representing various colleges across the district, who showcased their artistic talent and creativity through paintings focused on environmental conservation, sustainable living, and the role of youth in protecting nature and promoting life-affirming values. The event was also attended by Faiz Ahmad Dar, Nodal Principal Kashmir Division Colleges, Dr. Seema Naz, IS Probationer Alfred Thomas, besides principals of various city colleges, faculty members and students. Addressing the participants, the Deputy Commissioner underscored the objectives of the Youth Engagement and Empowerment Program launched by the District Administration Srinagar. He underlined the significance of environmental protection and judicious use of natural resources, urging students to adopt sustainable practices and contribute towards preserving the environment for future generations. Appreciating the efforts of the participating students, the DC highlighted the importance of youth engagement in social and environmental issues. He said such programs provide a meaningful platform for young minds to express their ideas, creativity, and commitment towards building a better and greener society. He encouraged students to continue contributing positively towards society by utilizing their talent and energy for constructive and socially responsible causes. The DC also emphasized the need for collective and coordinated efforts from all sections of society, including students, to effectively tackle the challenge of drug abuse. He stated that drug addiction destroys lives and devastates families, urging students to carry forward the message of a drug-free society. Reiterating the importance of unified action, he called for sustained community participation to achieve the goal of a Nasha Mukt Jammu and Kashmir. He also highlighted the counseling, treatment, and rehabilitation facilities available in Srinagar district for individuals affected by drug addiction and substance abuse, particularly at Inhas and through the Telemanas platform. The DC said these facilities are playing a vital role in providing psychological support, medical assistance, counseling services, and rehabilitation to victims of drug abuse, while also helping families cope with the social and emotional impact of addiction. During the valedictory ceremony, participants were felicitated for their outstanding performances and meaningful artistic contributions. A documentary was also screened as part of the ongoing Drug-Free Jammu and Kashmir initiative to sensitize participants about the growing menace of drug abuse and to raise awareness regarding anti-drug campaigns, counseling services, and rehabilitation measures being undertaken by the administration for affected individuals. Earlier, Nodal Principal Kashmir Division Colleges welcomed the participants and highlighted the impact of Youth Engagement and Empowerment Program of the District Administration.
Worthy Deputy Commissioner Srinagar, esteemed Professor Seema Naz, Nodal Principal Kashmir Division Colleges, distinguished guests, faculty members and dear students, Assalamu alaikum and warm greetings to all of you. At the conclusion of this inter-college painting competition on youth engagement and important program which was organized by District Administration Srinagar under the theme